We're at the CTO of the Year dinner 2016. I'm very happy to be joined by Vladimir Klein from T-Mobile Czech Republic. Vladimir, great to see you. Now, one of the things that interests me about T-Mobile Czech Republic is you've said already that you're going to turn off your 3G network by 2020. Why have you decided to do this?
Because we see that LTE traffic is going significantly. Currently we have like 65% of the traffic on the LTE data traffic. 3G is not growing any longer, and we see that we want to save on the network and not operating like 3 layers. And we believe by penetrating the LTE terminals, launching voice over LTE and Wi-Fi calling will allow us to do and start switching off first 3G sites even in 2018, and then close 3G network and reuse frequencies for LTE.
So all of the spectrum's going to be reformed effectively for LTE use, or are you identifying it for other types of use?
Yes, that's exactly what we plan to do. For LTE, you can see the development in the 5G or 4.5G, like with massive MIMO, massive carrier aggregations, that there would be possibility to reuse the spectrum for huge traffic demand. Of course, we plan to use this frequency even for Internet of Things, like part of narrowband IoT. And for 2G, if it's needed, we would keep thin layer for the legacy terminals or legacy applications or machine-to-machine equipment.
See, that's interesting because 2G's really being seen as the old standard, to put it bluntly. So what specific uses will you be using 2G for beyond 2020?
Still for voice services, I believe. And a small part of the frequency will be used for IoT. And these voice services would be mainly for the legacy, for all terminals of the people which do not exchange and don't want to have the smartphones, for example, or for specific business applications, machine to machine, where customers do not replace devices or equipment more than once per 10 years.
Excellent. Vladimir Klein, thank you very much.
Thank you, too.